Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, we're going to walk through how to change the slide dimensions in PowerPoint. It's easier than you might think. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Then, head over to the Design tab at the top. On the right side, you'll see the Slide Size button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Custom Slide Size. A new panel will pop up in the middle of your screen. Here, you'll find different options, like letter paper, A4 paper, and overhead. Let's go ahead and select the banner option for now, and then click OK. Now, PowerPoint will ask if you want to maximize your content or choose Ensure Fit. Let's pick Ensure Fit, so everything stays proportionate. Look at that, your slides are now resized to a banner layout. But if you're not happy with that, no worries. Just click the Undo button, and everything goes back to the way it was before. Next, let's get a little more creative with the dimensions. Go back to Slide Size, select Custom Slide Size again, and this time let's set the width to 15 inches and the height to 50 inches. You can also choose how many slides you want this to apply to. I'll go with 4 slides for now. Once you click OK, make sure to choose Ensure Fit again to adjust everything. Now your slides are vertically oriented. You might need to adjust your text and elements to fit this new layout. And if you want to try something else, you can always repeat the process. For this next example, let's set the width to 15 inches and the height to 25 inches. Click OK, choose Ensure Fit, and voila, you've got a new slide size. From here, you can increase or decrease the text size and move things around to make everything look just right. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to change slide dimensions in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.